Hello everyone, this is the audio test scene. Doing this scene separate from my game object to show how things are working. Alright. So that third sound plays how close or far away you are from a sound. So if I were to go all the way over here, you wouldn't hear it. But the closer I get to it while moving, it plays a thud. And it's what I call the walking check. Essentially, to let you know how far away is the closest wall. There's one on 3 sides. There's one in front of you, one to the left, one to the right. Next, this is a thud check. If you actually run into a wall, this sound will play. And lastly, this is the goal. Hopefully the video picks this up. It is spatialized, so no matter which direction you're facing, ready. And that's just the audio testing.